everyone, we are Group 1 and this is our group project for the second quarter. First, let me introduce you to my group members which are Reina Gargarita, Mary Brash Yuli Cueto, Kirsten Zariel Barnacha, Angela Jasmine Hood-Loman, Eunice Enteria, and B as their leader.
Fun fact, in science and industry, elements within a compound often need to be separated. Electrolysis is a way of separating them using electricity and chemistry. Two electrodes are placed in a solution that contains particles called ions. When those electrodes are connected to an electrical current, all of the positive ions go to one electrode and all of the negative ions goes to the other electrode. This process of separation is called electrolysis. Electrolysis is used in water to separate oxygen from hydrogen. This releases hydrogen gas which can be used for hydrogen fuel.
This connects our topic to this project. We will talk about some example of bonds, ionic bonds and covalent bonds that can be found at home. Let's get started.
Water. Covalent bonds occur when two atoms, in this case oxygen and hydrogen, share electrons with each other. Then equal sharing of electrons between the atoms and the symmetrical shape of the molecule means that a water molecule has two poles, a positive charge on the hydrogen pole side and a negative charge on the oxygen pole side. In the case of water, hydrogen bonds from between neighboring hydrogen and oxygen atoms of adjacent water molecules. The attraction between the individual water molecules creates a bond as known as a hydrogen bond.
Baking soda. Baking soda is an ionic compound. It is consisted with two ions, sodium and bicarbonate ion in equal amount. In baking soda, sodium is a metal and carbonate is a group of atoms having negatively charged. We use baking soda for cooking. It is commonly used when baking breads, cakes, muffins, and cookies.
Also, table soda is an ionic compound. It consists of two elements, sodium and chloride, NaCl. And fun fact, sodium and chlorine can be both dangerous elements. When they're chemically bonded together, they become a harmless substance. And we use table salt for cooking and making our food very yummy.
Bleach. It is an ionic compound. Why? Because it is the active element in bleach. It is generally referred to as bleach, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, and 1 oxygen. Make up the chemical formula. NaClO, the hypochlorite ion, has an ionic interaction with the sodium ion. As shown by its chemical structure, bleaches help us whiten, brighten, and remove stains faster. Here's how to use bleach in clothes. Bleach converts soils into colorless, soluble particles which are easily removed by detergents. Then carried away in the wash water, bleach can also brighten and whiten fabrics and help remove stubborn stain.
Sugar. Sugar contains covalent bonds. This is because all the covalent bonds in sugar molecules arise as a result of electron sharing between the atoms. Sugar are comprised of the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, all of which are nonmetals. We use sugar to sweeten our foods.
That's the end of our presentation. We hope you learned something.